Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday and yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. This week, we're coming to you from Carrigaline. 12 weeks ago, this project was under heavy demolition. Today, we hand this project over on schedule. This home is a beautiful detached home, but in the original build, there was one little bit of magic missing. Today, that magic has been completed. This hallway has really got that welcoming, grand feeling to it. Everything from our herringbone style flooring to the design leading into our rooms. Here, we've got a fully glazed door with a big side light. And to match, leading into the kitchen, we've gone with exactly the same style. But the one big feeling you get in this home is that this hallway is perfectly balanced. This new kitchen, dining and living room has really turned out well. And that kitchen, that modern style, I think it really gives this home that finishing touch. What is it that makes this kitchen and dining room look so good? Behind us, we've gone for wood shelving. On the island, we've also introduced wood on the breakfast bar. The dining table is made of wood. But what really links all these three together is this super modern light overhead. The colouring of this granite has worked out perfectly and matches really well with the units. And here we've ended up with two chopping boards. So what we've done is any of the granite that we've left over, we've put some rubber stoppers on, and this acts as our perfect chopping board. This is the perfect breakaway living room. In here, you can really enjoy your home and kick back and totally chill out. It really is the combination of this wall paneling and window that gives this room all its character. In our new extension, this is where we're going to relocate our kitchen, and we're going to run it all along this wall. Right in front of me here, we're going to have a really cool fully glazed corner unit. Overhead, in the extension roof, we're going to counterlever it to hover over the courtyard. And this is really going to connect the inside and out. But check out that big steel. We've had to remove all the walls underneath to create a big open plan. And that steel is what's going to hold the upstairs from collapsing. Now seeing all this design complete, it's really easy to see why we do what we do. A big thank you to our homeowners, a big thank you to David Homes and all his team. I think it's fair to say Sigma Homes are going from strength to strength.